Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, and thank you for giving the opportunity to share this workshop about the consequence of pregnancy in teenagers. So I'm going to introduce myself. I am Enzo Pacheco. I am an environmental engineering. I am from Bolivia, where now I am studying at the University of BYU. So this is the workshop I'm going to share. It's all, as I said in the beginning, the consequence of the pregnancy, but in the place I choose to talk about is Bolivia, my country. Okay, talking about Bolivia, Bolivia is a country localized in the middle of the South America. Um, almost Bolivia has 12 millions of people, and talking about the people in Bolivia, and their behavior depends on the place they live. If they live in a climate which is very hot, their behavior is very friendly, something like that. Or if they live in a place that is cold, the their behavior changes, like someone who is shy, something like that. So about the people in Bolivia. Bolivia, as I said, has 12 million of people, but almost according with the local government and the institution which is responsible about the statistics, Bolivia has almost 6 millions of women in population, and just only 2.6 millions are teenagers, adolescents, between the age of 18, no, 12 to 18 years old. So we can see the number of adolescents in Bolivia is considerable, a great number. So according with the statistics, we know that the the population of adolescents get pregnancy is almost 600,000 of people, of adolescents. So this is why we choose this topic to talk about, because this becomes a very serious problem. Why? Because when teenagers get pregnancy, have some problems like, um, I don't know, headaches, pain in the abdomen, and in most of cases are abortion. So we see this is a big problem we have to attend. And the reason we compilate the information about why they get pregnant is it is because uh, teenagers don't have enough information about sexual relationships. Even they ignore everything about the sexual relationships because the education in Bolivia talking about this is very poor. So in home, even their parents don't share the enough information about this topic on them, and they become ignorant in this topic because they don't know about this thing, and being so young and vulnerable, and they have wrong decisions and get pregnancy. But not just only for this reason the adolescents get pregnancy. Almost in Bolivia, we have a considerable number of rapid women which were suffer some abuse from men, and they get pregnancy. And then a considerable number of them are adolescents. So this is the topic in general. We know In the period of pregnancy, they can suffer many problems. As I said, headaches, pain in the abdomen, and this could be the loss of the baby and loss of the mother. So for this reason, we develop a program to attend these people and to try to save them, because we want to share some information about how they can have or to how they can enjoy the period of pregnancy. So for this purpose, we create this program. And for this purpose, we build and this workshop in order to share these thoughts. The first thing we have to do is to share enough information about pregnancy and how they can then how they can hear, or I don't know how to explain, but how they can fix the problem. So the first step is to give them enough information. Where people can find the information is in our web page. The second step we want to do is it is to motivate all the people that like that they can be a person that could guide or could hear a person with a woman or adolescent or teenagers which are in the period of pregnancy. And that's all for the workshop. This workshop is to give information where they can find and to motivate people to attend these people. That's all. Thank you very much for the time you give me to publish my thoughts and to share the workshop I developed. Thank you so much. See you. Goodbye.